Introducing RapidDirect Team Collaboration. Ever thought about assembling a team of designers, engineers, financial experts, and others to seamlessly collaborate on a specific project? Now we bring you RapidDirect Team Collaboration. How it works? Accessing RapidDirect Team Collaboration is a straightforward process. Begin by navigating to the RapidDirect online platform and logging into your account. To create a team, simply click on Create a New Team located on the left-hand menu bar. A dialog box will appear where you can specify a team name. After clicking the Create Team button in the dialog box, you will be directed to the newly created team space. The team name can be modified at any time. The user creating the team automatically assumes the role of team owner. Next, click the Add Team Members button to invite team members by entering their email addresses. Once your team members join, you can view them in the top right bar in the Add Team Members section. You also have the option to remove a team member. To create a new team quote, click on the Add New Team Quote button. The newly created quote will automatically be shared with your team members. Additionally, you can add existing quotes and orders relevant to your team. To do this, navigate back to your personal dashboard where you can select a quote or order to add to your team. Simply click the Add To button, select the team from the drop-down menu, and then click Add to confirm your selection. Let's break it down. During the quoting phase, team members can freely create quotations and seamlessly view project details. Moreover, finance experts can execute payment directly. This minimizes unnecessary back-and-forth communication and ensures timely and secure payments. Moving on to the production phase, team members can monitor production progress and track shipping information, all within a unified workflow. This ensures that everyone stays well-informed throughout the process. That's it. If you have any questions about RapidDirect Team Collaboration, feel free to reach out to your dedicated sales engineer.